Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be opening up a Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift single pack promo where you get a Glimmet and Glimmora as promo cards along with a Pikachu coin, and we will also open up 4 Paradox Rift booster packs. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started and hopefully we could pull something good today. We'll start off with this single pack promo. Let me read the back here. These Pokemon are ready to join your team. Get in on the latest Pokemon TCG action with an awesome booster pack, 2 promo cards, a cool Pokemon coin to add to your collection, and a card for the Pokemon TCG Live. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, code card. And here we have a Glimmet. Oh, it's a non-holo as the first promo card. Ascension, search your deck for a card that evolves from this Pokemon and put it onto this Pokemon to evolve it. Then shuffle your deck. All right. Next we have this holo Glimmora. Very nice looking card. It has Shattering Crystal. When this Pokemon is knocked out, flip a coin. If hedged, your opponent can't take any prize cards for it. And Poison Petals. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now poisoned during Pokemon checkup. Put 6 damage counters on that Pokemon instead of 1. This is the Pikachu coin. See that there? Very nice. Put you right here. And let's go ahead and open up this single Paradox Rift booster pack. Let's go. Doublade, Miltank, Wimpod, Plusle, Tinkaton, Durant, Earthen Vessel. We have a reverse holo Dottler, Galvantula, and a Mewtwo EX Terraform. Very nice. Energy code card. Very cool. All right, now we'll get to the 4 booster packs. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the packs from their covers and opening it from there. All right, pack 1 of 4. Let's go. Wiglet, Gligar, Blipbug, Fuecoco, Technical Machine Evolution, Durant, Slitherwing, Reverse Holo Toedscroll, Liepard, and a Holo Zacian. Energy code card. Blipbug, Fuecoco, Honedge, Dwebble, Ferrothorn, Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Reverse Holo Doublade, Iron Jugulis, and a Holo Chi-Yu. Energy code card. Tandemos, Toedscool, Toxel, Spinda, Simisear, Crobat, Roark, Reverse Holo Aegislash, Reverse Holo Honedge, and a Garganacl Holo. Energy code card. All right, last pack. Hopefully we can get something good. Let's go. Whismur, Doublade, Surskit, Magby, Earthen Vessel, Medical Energy, Iron Bundle, Reverse Holo Dottler, Tinkaton, and a Holo Morpeko. Oh. Energy and code card. All right, so for a quick recap, we have our Pikachu coin that we got from the promo single pack. We have this Glimmet non-holo, Glimora holo, and this Mewtwo EX. Very cool. All right. Thank you all for joining in. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thanks, and bye.